Hello students, welcome to the class once again. We have completed lesson 1 and today we are going to start lesson 2, care of growth, meaning and importance. Let's start. Growth, development, maturity and nutrition. These four words, all these terms seems synonyms. They seems like they are synonyms, but that is not the reality. But it is not. As a matter of fact, all these terms denote different meanings. The child at the time of birth is very small, weighing around 3 kg and having the height around 50 cm. Gradually, the child starts growing in size. This change is in the children is called growth. What is called? It is called growth. When there is change in appearance and nature, that change is better known as development. Tightening of the skin, hair turning grey are the example of development. Meaning of growth: the changing occurring in the physical appearance of the child due to care and nutrition after the birth is called growth. It is only due to the growth that the infant becomes child. When the infant becomes a child, it is just because of growth. Youth and an adult with the passage of time, there are two aspects of the growth of the infant: growth in weight and growth in height. Factors determining growth. The rate of growth in all the infants is not the same. The rate of growth in all the infant means baby, small baby, newborn baby, is not the same. Some grow faster than other. The main factors determining growth are as below. The factors which affect the speed of growth. Number 1, heredity. The physical shape of the child is usually found similar to the shape of its parents and grandparents, etc. Number 1, their shape depends on their parents and grandparents. Number 2, nutrition. The children whose nutrition is properly taken care of and one who take balanced diet have good growth as compared to those who lack in these aspects. Next is importance of child caring. The next point is disease. If the physics of child is such that he is very often sick and diseased, there would not be the proper growth of the child. If your child becomes sick very often, his physical growth will be slow. If the disease continues for a long duration, the growth of child would be totally retarded. Number 4, sentiments. If the child by nature is emotional and sentimental, his growth would not be proper. Number 5, accident. If the child has suffered some accident, his growth may be adversely influenced. Number 6, physical disability. Physical disabled children may not be as fully grown as the children who do not have any physical handicap. This was about meaning of growth and factors determining growth. We will study the remaining chapter in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.